What's the meaning of Cambridge? Cambridge. Cambridge.
Cambridge. Cambridge. Cambridge is a city in eastern England, situated on the River Cam. Its name comes from the original Old English name for the river, Granta, combined with the word for bridge. The city is home to one of the world's most prestigious universities, the University of Cambridge, which was founded in 1209. With its rich history and beautiful architecture, Cambridge is a popular tourist destination known for punting on the river, cycling, and visiting the many museums and galleries throughout the city. Additionally, Cambridge is also known for its cutting-edge technology and research, particularly in the fields of biotechnology and computer science.